the S sound. S, snake. S sounds S as in snake. There is a snake in the grass. S in seesaw sounds S. Kids have fun as they go up and down on the seesaw. Look at this word, skateboard. The letter S in skateboard makes the hissing S sound. How to make the sound? Lightly close your teeth, keeping your lips a little open. Push air out from your mouth to make the S sound, as in snake. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It did not move or vibrate. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letter S and make the S sound, as in snake. Click on the letter that make the S sound. Sun. Click on the letter that make the S sound. Seal. Click on the letter that make the S sound. Sack. Let us look at some other words with the letter S that make the S sound. Click on the letter that make the S sound. Bus. Click on the letter that make the S sound. Sleep. Click on the letter that make the S sound. Sky.